again. Okay, now in this video, I was just going to show you, these are some drills I got. I'm going to put them in my bags over here, which I'll do that in a little bit. This is a new case. I'll show you this in a second. But here's my Add More Zest, and these are all my release papers, so I'm wanting to put these in here. Put these in, I should have, where is the other one? Oh, here they are. This is rounds, this is squares. There we go. Yeah, I put rounds and squares, so now I know. And this is for next year's, or this later on this year's Advent. Okay, let's stick that there. And then this is Christmas ones. I'll have to get this organized later. Oh, this is extra. Yeah, so those go in the back. That goes in the back because it's Christmas. This is Christmas. Just real quick because it's making me crazy. Alright, that's spring, that's spring. Fall, fall. Different. Spring. Flag, that's summer. Lipstick, that's different. Taurus. Black cat. Let's see here. Fall. Fall. You can tell I like fall. Fall. Ooh, Christmas. Where's, okay, I'll go in the bag. No more fall. That reminds me of fall. That reminds me of fall. Leaves. Christmas. 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 I don't know what they're doing out there. Spring. Bookshelves. So miscellaneous stuff. Okay. My Taurus. You can tell it's my sign. My Becky cats and paw prints. And then this is summer. Alright. So we'll do 2 on each side. It's in some sort of order. Okay. What is the problem here? Oh boy, something I had in here from a while back. Now I have other ones in here that are bigger that I'll use on other stuff. But right now, these are the 16 pieces. And if you want to see her, all her release paper, you go on www.addmorezest.com. I'll give you the, I don't know if the link will work, but I'll at least give you what you type in. For some reason my links are still not working to where you can just hover and it take you right there. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I got a feeling it should be able to type it in, and it, but nope. Okay, so that's spring. There we go. Oh, and these are for extras. Put them back here. All right. There. That's done. That was fast enough. Okay. Oh, I don't need that. All right. Here is an unboxing of a another storage container. Now, this one is called a seed. Where you put seeds in it, which you probably should. The way things are going in the world, you know, save up. You never know. And this is really cool. There's 65 containers in here, all together. So we have the large bottles, and then we have these medium size. They're pretty cool. I mean, that'll hold a lot. And then we have these, which are really big. I just thought it was really cool. I think it was, what is it? Principal Painter. She had one on hers, and I just thought it was really cool and got to looking into it. It came from Amazon, if you're interested. But you look it under seed storage container. and this pops up. This is a large one. They have another one I think it's like half this size, and it had some of these, and then all these. But I just thought it was really cool. I'll use it for something, but comes with a little funnel and tweezers, and then it comes with these, which are kind of cool. They're big ones. So you got your smalls, and then mediums, and then the large for these. I don't know. I might use them. I'm going to keep them, that's for sure. I don't use these. I have my own funnel and funnel system. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show you this. And that's it. I mean, it would have been kind of cool if they had like a double. One on top of each other, then that would be what? 130 bottles, because there's 65 here. But this is the new container. And not much to it, but I'll use it for something. I would use it on my Heaven and Earth, but I have 88 colors. So that one's not going to work. But I think this is the only color it comes in. Oh, you know what? I think it's this color because of the 65 bottles. I think the other one might come in another color, which you can get off Amazon. So I just wanted to show you that, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.